Hello and welcome to Magic AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw a simple floor plan as seen on the board. So, we will start with the skeleton, then followed by adding our veranda shown in dotted line. Secondly, we are going to fit our windows and doors. We will follow by hatching our walls, and we'll continue to do the fittings, okay, to bring fittings in the house. Installation, we'll do installation, and finally we are going to do the dimensioning. We are going to dimension our drawing. So all this in just 3 parts. So let's get started. This drawing we are about to do measures 13.5 by 10.6. So the first thing we want to do is we go to the line command, you left click and you let go your cursor. Then you specify at the first point, okay, specify at the first point. Then you type in 13.5, press enter, then upward and type in 10.6, enter, then leftward you type in 13.5, press enter, then snap at this point and left click and let go. Then you press escape key to escape. Then we have a veranda here of 2 units, okay, we have a veranda of 2 units. So I'd like us to make an offset. We go to offset, we enter 2 unit, we type in 2 unit and press enter. So this is going to be our veranda. Then escape, we go to offset again to set out the walls, okay, the thickness of the walls is going to be 0.15, enter. Then let's just do this thickness very fast, like this. Get something like this, and like this, okay. The first set of rooms here measures 3.5, so we'll go to offset, we type in 3.5, press enter key, then we offset here at 3.5, okay. Then we press escape, then we'll go back to offset. Let's make 0.15 the wall, 0.15, enter. Then you click in and you press leftward and you left click and let go and you press escape. Then there is a corridor here, moving from this end to a toilet here and from somewhere here to the parlor. So let's make the corridor is 1.4. we go back to offset, then we type in 1.4, press the enter key, then we offset here 1.4, then let go, then we press escape, then we go back to offset to make the thickness of the wall, which is 0.15, press your enter, then go this way, press escape. And the next thing we want to do is there is a room here at 3 and this other room is at 3, so we'll go back to offset and we type in 3, then we'll press the enter key, then we'll offset at 3, then and we type in 3, then we'll press enter key, then we'll offset at 3, then escape. We go back to line command. Let's go back to line to offset, sorry, to make the wall 0.15, enter. Then we have the wall. There is also another room here that measures 3. Okay, let's go to offset. Go to offset, then we'll type in 3, enter. Then we'll take it from this end, that is 3. Then we go again to offset to make the thickness of this wall at 0.15, enter. And we'll make the thickness of this wall. We'll click and downward, then escape. So let's clear this part. Okay, let's clear this corridor. So we'll go now to trim command, then we'll press enter. Either you press enter or you right click and let go. Then you come here, remember this one's got no use. Okay, so this is our veranda outside. This is our veranda outside. Then okay, so let's leave it at this level. Okay, you press escape key. Then now there is another corridor, okay, that moves from here to the parlor, and another room here that measures 3. So let's go to offset and type in 1.42 from this corridor. 1.4, press enter, then we'll do an offset here, then escape. Then we'll go again to offset to type in the wall 0.13 or 1.45, sorry, enter. Then you make an offset and we press escape. Then let's make now this room at 3. Okay, so we'll go to offset, we type in 3 and we enter. Let's go to escape. Then let's go back to offset to form the wall here to make the wall thickness 0.15, enter. Wall thickness, then we press escape. Then let's trim the unnecessary lines. Okay, now we'll go to trim tool, we'll press enter. Then let's trim this. Okay, remember this is in the parlor. Let's trim here, then trim here, trim here, okay, trim here, and let's press escape key. There is a toilet here that measures 1.8 by 1.75. so what we need to do is we go to offset. Okay, we go to offset, come down here, then we type in 1.8, press enter. Okay, bring here, escape. Then we go back to offset, we type in 0.15, enter, to make the wall thickness. Okay, now let's also adjust this. Remember, this span here is 1.4, so but we want to make it at 1.75. so let's go back to offset, then we type in 1.75, enter, then we're here. Okay, escape again, offset 0.15 for the thickness of the wall, enter, then we do our wall thickness, then we go to the trim tool. No matter how many lines or how many times you're going to trim, you do it like that in order to have a perfect job. Okay, so we right click, then we trim the unnecessary, we trim in, trim here. The distance of this kitchen from here to here is supposed to be 3.25, but now we have less than 3. So but the dining is here, and the distance of the dining from here to here is 4.18. so we take it from this way to have the distance of our kitchen. So we go to offset, we type in 4.18, press enter, then we'll go to offset. Okay, we have it like that, then we press escape, then we'll go to offset again, we type in 0.15, enter. Okay, to have this thickness of the wall. Okay, we'll press escape, then let's delete this line to delete everything. Then we'll go now to line command, snap here, and we click here, and we go again to line command, we snap here. This time around it's going to snap at the second line, then we'll click there, press escape. Now we can trim. Okay, we'll go to trim tool, press enter, trim here. Okay, because we don't need this one, we trim here, then we trim here, trim, trim here. Take time to trim all of this. Okay, we trim, take time to trim all of these corners. Behind here we have a small veranda that measures 1.04. so we go to offset. Okay, we type in 1.04, enter. Okay, then we take the first line downward and click there, then the second line downward and we click it there. Okay, then we press escape. Then now we trim this other line, so we'll go to trim tool, press enter, trim. Okay, trim the unnecessary lines, trim. Now this one we can delete. Okay, delete these ones, and now we have our drawing. In our next area, we are going to do of the windows and door tools, set in fittings in the house. We are going to show our furniture fit in. Please don't forget to subscribe.